everybody, how's it going? I'm Zero.
I'm DK.
And I'm Rizzo, and today in Anime Reaction, we're going to be watching the 12th episode of Tensei Shitara Slime Datta Ken. So, last time, Gabiro got owned.
But, wow.
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 And the Dryad showed up. Anyway, 3,
2,
1.
let's jam.
Oh, now he's ruler of monsters,
Well, yeah. I mean, he kind of is.
mother of dragons.
First of his name. In fact, I think I said that exact line last episode. No pressure.
I mean, he was probably going to, even if she didn't ask.
Yeah, probably.
The plot demanded it, and now the plot demanded it.
I see what you did there.
Take you a second.
No. Just took me a second to say something about it.
Snakes. Why'd it have to be snakes?
Snakes aren't that bad.
No, not usually. No. Unless they're like 40 feet long and trying to eat you whole.
You can be its friend. Make a good familiar.
One that big would make a good mount.
Maybe. I think it'd have to be a little bit bigger than that.
Fair enough. But still. I mean, big ass snake you could actually ride on. Make a hell of a mount.
Well, that snake particularly looked about that big.
Hmm.
Your knees would be dragging across the ground.
Adapt. Improvise. Overcome. Get one of those big old banana seats like on those old bicycles. There we go. Just be like... Or scoliosis acting up. No, I'm ordering you to.
Please, save us, Slime Jesus.
I'll take a potato chip. And eat it!
Yeah, that is pretty big pretty big nose.
Not so much big, but bulbous. Ada intensifies. Don't lie, y'all would. That booty.
Everybody want to stop playing the pronoun game? Dark, dark, dark.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
Looks like meat's back on the menu, boys.
Considering they're marching through the desert in metal armor, he's well cooked.
Can almost smell the bacon cooking.
Pan with a nice Chianti.
It's interesting that the Dryad knows the Predator skill too.
Also, the way she says unique skill sounds a lot like the Great Intelligence. Well, don't get eaten, Rimuru. Bruh. Took him a second.
Fucking perverts. Everything that happens in the forest.
She even knows about the dragon.
Everything. Sudden glomp out of nowhere.
Voluntold.
The plot demanded it. Boing. And my axe. Oh.
Oh, I don't know if you'd really want that.
The guy. He's boss. Gay!
Yeah, but, I mean, is it though? Technically, he's not a man or a woman.
Fair enough. Still
You can be anything
gay!
you want, baby.
Great, so he's basically a shiny ditto.
Yes.
To be fair, dittos are scary.
Something glomp out of nowhere. Wow, he was out that long. Lizard head pats. Bruh.
Well, you're wrong.
Keep digging, guys. What's this clown? Really? All together now. Yes, yes. Rush to your death.
Hmm.
The stupid. It hurts. Yeah, I love the way they adapted our backlog into the series like that. Just this overwhelming force.
Yeah, so it's not like you're gonna stop him. He moves pretty quick.
Ninja. So it's not just Gabiru's assistants who are idiots. Yeah, nah. Woo! Damn. Drop the bomb on him. Drop the truth bomb on him. Come on, Zoe. Come on.
Don't. You'll just be disappointed at first. He'll probably die of shock.
Enough time for the idiot to come back, right?
Yup.
Later, bitches. Shit, he almost died of shock there. Pretty badass trident.
So pretty much everybody knows about this unique skill.
Well, Oracle Lords are quite widely feared. I'd imagine they are so for a reason. 4 days late. Coup d'etat? The one who's gonna fuck everything up for everyone. Yeah, that's who. Bitch, say what? A coup d'etat. There we go. God damn it, Leroy.
Yeah, that's not gonna end well whatsoever.
Whoa. As it flies out of his hand. Or not. Okay. Motivated. Go to DMC. Go to. Oh. Oh. Nice. Guerrilla tactics.
So he's just going to leave the bodies there and they're going to be eaten.
Doesn't matter what they eat. Well, now he's starting to get the picture. Slowly but surely. Oof. Also, yeah, way to spell out your whole plan with your little,
Right.
little chanting there.
It's okay. I'm sure Gabiru will miss it.
Yeah, completely.
Mm. So yeah, that's a pretty, pretty dark attack buff.
Yeah.
Kind of like it. Who'd have thought that eating a lot of pork would make you stronger?
It's a protein for them gains, bro.
Protein! Boingy, 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 boingy.
Also, I don't remember her actually getting the secretary outfit, but
Not yet.
Mm. Well, wasn't the princess making new clothes for everyone?
Yeah. Most of them are still wearing their goblin-made clothes.
The Great Clash.
Basically, everybody except the princess, I think, is still wearing goblin-made clothes.
It's the Great Clash. Between who and who exactly?
Between the orc army and everybody else, I'm assuming. Gabiru just doesn't understand how terrifying CGI orcs can be. Yeah, good job, Kazuma. I mean, Gabiru. Which, by the way, like we've completely neglected mentioning in like the last 2 episodes that we've watched that yes, we know that Gabiru is voiced by the same voice actor that did Kazuma.
Yeah, no need to mention it. Our viewers certainly did the job for.
Oh God.
Oh yes. Oh, exploitable. Nice job, Mouse.
Works for me.
Otaku Saga?
Yes.
Sorry, not sorry.
But yeah, that now that I know the unique skill of the Orc Lord, it's actually very interesting.
No, yeah, that is a very interesting
Yeah, it's like
skill.
It's like the plot of, and now the whole story is like the first season of Heroes, but a lot darker.
Dark.
Save the slime, save the world.
Oh, I know which side to look at.
And that actually makes me very curious as to what other unique skills there are, because it's a very interesting skill.
It's a very interesting world. I mean, you get to, Rimuru's just big old stack of skills.
I think you were closer the first time there, Fanta.
I think it was like starving.
Yeah, I think it was starving. Or ravenous or something like that.
Yeah.
Actually, I like the scene where the triad sitting between the dwarf and and the old man.
And they're just like, dang it.
I wonder if the Dryad has a unique skill.
Maybe. I mean, she is pretty powerful.
Like
it seems that way.
The like clairvoyance
Again,
skill.
Right. Damn,
she knows everything that's going on in that whole forest. Including
So, yes, as it turns out, Rimuru is a shiny Ditto.
Yeah, totally buy that. I mean, he said it was a total hornball in life. And he got the Predator skill because he basically wants to chase tail. So.
I wonder if the Dryad will be able to realize that.
Probably, I don't know. As a non-clairvoyant, boring old human, I think I can pretty much see that Reamer's a horn dog.
But yeah, I'm actually not sure. I wonder if the Great Clash is actually going to start off with Rimuru like kicking Gabiru's ass. I would love to see that.
I think Gabiru's guerrilla tactics are going to backfire on him royally.
Well, I mean, they kind of already have.
Well, yeah. I mean, I think it's going to come to its natural conclusion that, oh shit, I done fucked up. And then Rimuru is going to have to step in, probably the chieftain, and save the day.
Yeah, Ninja Master Orc here is...
I'm thinking more Walter from Hellsing.
Yeah.
Yeah, the old razor wire thing.
Yeah, that is a good point. Gabiru is actually talented in what he's doing. He just didn't know what he was up against. So basically, any other army, his tactics would pretty much work.
Yeah, I mean,
or any other kind of mindless horde at least.
Again, going up against a huge horde in terrain, you have the advantage of hit and run, guerrilla tactics, small skirmishes. Mm-hmm. Technically, he's doing everything right, except gauging the strength of his enemy.
Right. And
well, except for intelligence gathering, but.
Military intelligence is an oxymoron.
Yeah.
Don't listen, Gabiru.
I mean, he probably should have asked his father, for any information.
Well, actually, since he's associated with this clown, literally, he's gotten false intelligence.
Right.
So. That is a nice gag. So all of a sudden, wait, where'd you come from?
Wait, who are you?
Oh, he's always been here. Wait, what?
Everyone just rolls with it.
But yeah, it's funny how Gabiru's I guess claim was his father's aged too much.
He's gotten
but
soft.
Gabiru really hasn't aged enough.
Well, you've seen it before, in history and fiction. But, just said a coup d'etat, you're not fit for the role, it's my turn now, yada
Old story.
Anyway, so yeah, next episode is a.
Expect some action next time.
Yep.
Yes.
And I really don't have anything else to say about this episode.
Yeah. Except I have a really inexplicable craving for pork right now.
Bacon.
All right.
It's how my strength.
So, let us know what you thought of the anime, what you thought of our reaction in the comment section below.
Yep, thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification button. And if you're interested in joining a Discord, look for it in the description below.
I was pretty sure those are potato chips, Yamato. Anyway, I'm gonna think they're potato chips and just roll with it. If you like our videos here on YouTube, consider going to patreon.com/Otaku Saga and making it a donation, because remember, your support helps keep the channel running. But that's gonna do it for this episode of Anime Reaction. As always, I'm DK.
I'm Zero.
And I'm Rizzo. See you next time.